Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device runs Android 12 or newer so Material You is available. Once done, make sure developer or launcher options are enabled if your launcher needs it. This unlocks full widget theming. Then open the widgets picker, locate the Material You widget lineup, and long press the specific widget you want. Drag it to your home screen immediately to begin configuration. This single path is the only way to apply dynamic color consistently across the widget. After placing the widget, tap it to open the configuration panel. This is where the only way continues. Choose dynamic color so the widget pulls your wallpaper palette, then set size and opacity to balance visibility and space. Adjust which content and shortcuts appear, and apply background tint if the widget supports it. These choices determine contrast and legibility. Make incremental changes and preview them on screen, because small shifts in opacity or layout can dramatically improve readability and match. Save your settings and test the widget across a few wallpapers to confirm the dynamic color behaves as expected. If colors look off, reapply dynamic color or toggle the widget theme to force a refresh. This step corrects most mismatches. If problems persist, restart your launcher or clear the widget cache to remove stale theme data. One key troubleshooting tip: switching to a different wallpaper, then back often forces the system to recalculate the palette and fix any remaining.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.